unless I really try. Here we go, step inside the circle, reaching down, pull into my waist. Take a chance, putting on my tutu. And now
Olivia, get up there. Good God, are you kidding me?
putting on my tutu.
You have to be kidding me.
I'm on my toes up high.